So by default, what you get over here in a new project is its default settings. That is, a certain resolution is there and certain frame rate is there and so forth. You can also go around and create out a new project and select those project settings by yourself. So to do that, you need to go around under the file menu right here. And once you go around over here and click on new project, just like this. Once you do that, you can see that you can go around and save out your project. So you can choose like where you want to save this in right here, browse and choose, let's say, for example, the tutorial folder. And over here, I'm just going to go around and create a new folder called elements right here, just like this, and then select out the folder. Then over here, you can go around and choose landscape or portrait or square or social, as you can see right here, and choose a preset as you like. Let's say, for example, this is for social media purposes, so you choose social right here. Then you can make it so that this is a YouTube video or an Instagram video and so forth right here. But when you actually bring in media, it actually changes the resolution as per the media in Adobe Premiere Elements. That is how by default it is inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So if you want to override that and just use the settings right here, then you need to go around and click on force selected project preset to this project. Then what happens is that it does not change around the resolution of the overall project just because a video is different. If I were to go around onto more right here and click on view all presets, then you get to view other presets over here as well. Like for portrait right here, you can see that there's 4x5 and so forth, just like this right here. And you can choose this out right here, just like this. You can also see by video standard, and over here you can see like the PAL, NTSC and other video standards that you can select over here as you like as well, and then press OK just like this, and this is what you have. So that is how you can go around and press OK, and as per that, your project settings will be set for the new project right over here. So that is how you can create a new project and then select out project settings inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.